Thick wood in all. Now then.
You turn the telly off.
Switch telly off, you're in a shot, man. Right, this is our review of our new TV. 65-inch Hisense 4K UHD TV. This is our unboxing. Enjoy. Right, Matthew, I'll get the ones at the back, you get the ones at the front.
Squeeze them on pull it,
Now then.
Have you got that handle that way?
Have I got what?
Handle?
Yeah. There we go. Now then. Straight in, aren't you?
The stand.
Stand. Now we're not going to need this bad boy because it's going up wall. Might as well leave it in its plastic. Yeah, that's the stand. We're not taking this piece. There you go.
Take your line off. Just give it to me. I'm wondering whether we should have took that off first.
Well, we'll have to take that off first because we need to get the bracket off the back of that one, attach it to this one, and then hang it up. Well, I'm just on the quick shot here. See what it's like.
Remotes and instructions.
Alright. So we have to open this up, show everybody. So you just got like efficiency sticker, user manual, in 500 languages. That's the guarantee warranty card thing. Sure, that'll be very useful. We have power cable. What else do we have? We have remote control. Lots of buttons. And some little bolts. Don't know what they're for yet. Sure, we'll find out. And we have batteries for the remote. That's it. That's this. So we've just got in here now. TV. Right, so that's the only thing we've got left. Big nice telly.
Sound like I'm on, I think I'll leave them on.
Yeah.
So we can put it on the floor or something. Because it's for a bedroom for ages. Now we're in bedroom now.
Well, we didn't expect it to be needed at any place. We're not measuring it first, so we're just going for it.
I think it will fit.
Right, you first. Just want the screen facing the camera. Just a bit on the way out.
your bum through the doors. Where do you want it? Yeah, put it more up there.
Yeah, maybe more up. Right. I'll be tempted to the bag. It's the holes we need. There.
You got to stand with knife by the plug on that little windowsill.
By the lemon tree people. There you go. Not allowed.
Stick it out and then shove it my way.
Not allowed sharp things.
Yes, people. It seems to be. We've got, instead of just Netflix button, Prime Video, YouTube, Freeview Play, and Rakuten TV. I don't know Rakuten TV.
Rakuten.
No,
Roku, innit?
I don't know. This says Rakuten. Rakuten.
Rakuten.
Yeah, Rakuten TV.
Oh, it must be German. Looks and sounds German, doesn't it?
Yeah. HDMI 3 4K, HDMI 2 4K, HDMI 1 4K.
Oh, they're all 4K.
Oh.
Alright, on the Sammy upstairs, it's not. Oh, on the Philips. Sammy.
Yeah, and they're all at 60 hertz. A 1001 and 202, USB 1, USB 2, digital output, audio, video.
Oh, fucking hell.
Stop swearing, man, like my kid is watching.
Sorry, kids. Don't listen to Uncle Jack's language. It's way too colourful. Jesus. Right, this is a quick review of the old new TV we've got, the Hisense 65-inch. Finally got it plugged in and working. It's alright, not a bad picture. It's quite straightforward. That's your remote control. Got all the buttons you need on. Goes straight to Prime Video if you want. There you go, straight to Prime. Right, one more thing about this. On the old TV, the remote control, it was like wireless. I could just point it at my own head, or point it at the window over there, and it would turn telly and do what I wanted. This one took me a while to figure it out. You have to point it at the TV, but not just anywhere at TV. You've got to point it at the receiver, which is down here in the corner. Yeah, if you point it over here, it don't do anything. Point it down there, boom. You know what I mean? It's a bit annoying, but you know, I suppose you get used to it. Right, so that's your normal TV there. You can get a channel list. This gives you a little channel list there. You can just go up and down, pick what you like, and away you go. Or you can press the guide button, brings up the whole guide. Again, you work your telly from there. It's quite simple. So there you go, you can start watching Prime, or you can go to YouTube, just click YouTube. Spinning Wheel of Death, Boom, straight to YouTube. Netflix is same, Freeview same. Go back to home, you've got apps, go into apps, gives you all these apps you've got. YouTube, you can just add all these, click on apps more, you can add more apps to it. When it loads, there you go, you just pick what you like, got a selection at the top, kids, sports, news, lifetime games. Just add them as you like them. It's quite simple. That's just straight from a terrestrial aerial, very fancy. Just got the aerial plugged in and away we went. Input. You've got 3 HDMI sockets on this. So that's your TV at the moment. 1, 2, 3 HDMIs, AV, Anycast. Don't know what Anycast is yet, I haven't actually looked at that. But HDMI 1. At the moment set up with a Virgin box. We go to HDMI 2. On HDMI 2 we got, should be, you all see NVIDIA box up and running, working. Overall, quite impressed with it. It's a good picture for the price. Budget TV, 65-inch. I would definitely recommend it for the money. It's a nice unit. Anyway, thanks for listening. See you next time.